Hi everyone, it has been a while, but I am back with something extremely exciting. Not ASMR, but I am about to unbox a gift from Rainbow Loom. Chun himself and the Rainbow Loom team sent me what's in here, and yes, I did open it already. We're in. Do you remember 11 years ago, if you have been here that long, comment below what your favorite crafts that I used to do are or were. So 11 years ago, I did my very first Rainbow Loom video. The very first one was me announcing that I had a Rainbow Loom finally, because people were asking me to get one, asking me to make bracelets. I had no idea what it was.
I got a Rainbow Loom because a lot of you wanted me to make bracelets, so I should have a video up on a bracelet tutorial either this week or next week or both, depending on how much I can get filmed. YouTube finally sent me my 100,000 subscriber bag.
That was one of the huge milestones here on my channel. I am going to forever be grateful to Rainbow Loom. I can't express in words how much this company, these products I'm going to show, well, these are new products, they're not released yet, so by the time you're watching this, I don't know if they will be, but right now they are currently unreleased, and there's a lot of new stuff happening with Rainbow Loom, even though it's over a decade later. And what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I will forever, ever be grateful to Rainbow Loom because of all the opportunities that came from my channel getting seen by more people and growing the community here. So if you've been here since the Rainbow Loom days, thank you so much for staying. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Sarah, and I hope to be here more I hope to be here more in 2025 making craft videos. I'm going to bring Rainbow Loom back a little bit. I'm going to continue doing my craft kit testing series, maybe some thrift store makeovers. I don't know, you can let me know what kind of videos you want to see. If you want to know more about my hiatus and everything, you can go check out my vlog channel, which is Sarah Lynn Studios. There has been a lot going on. I do have a small business now, so here's my shameless self-promo before we get into this, that I have my own little business now as well. Hopefully it'll grow. I sell stationery mainly, some jewelry, some apparel. I have a heat press where I will put these designs that I personally made onto hoodies, t-shirts, sweatshirts, tote bags, pencil pouches, and more. So yeah, that's the end of my shameless plug. Now let's get into this. Also, me sitting here instead of my table that's up there hopefully doesn't look too strange. So this is a full circle moment. My past self always dreamed of working with Rainbow Loom. I don't think I ever reached out to them. I was kind of shy. Now you would not guess that because I talk a lot, but if I don't know someone, I'm usually not gonna be the first person to reach out, but once you get to know me, I don't stop yapping. Let's get a close-up of this. What's in here? Ready? They're so colorful. Bubble wrap be gone. I'm gonna save that though for packaging. Here is everything that's inside. They're so, oh my gosh. Look how cute. A fun, colorful mix. I'm just gonna be showing you what's inside. I'm not gonna be testing everything and opening everything individually. Let's start with the tiny things. Oh my gosh. This is the AutoLoom, and I have a feeling that this is going to really take off. It is such a cool invention. If you've been following Rainbow Loom, which I hadn't been, don't tell. I didn't realize I wasn't subscribed to their YouTube. Now I am. But Rainbow Loom and other people have been showing these for quite a few months now. I have two of them. So if you're not familiar, this is the AutoLoom, and it is basically an easier, quicker way to create simple bracelets. Since I'm not using these individual ones for the work that I'm going to be doing, I can open it and show you. So I lied, there is a little bit of a demo here. Oh, there's bands on here already. Oh, okay, so you probably have to replace them if they end up wearing out. I haven't read anything. The loom functions best with 3 to 4 fresh bands to keep tension. So they have some light purple ones on there. Pastel purple, very pretty. That's so cool. I love this. And then it has little finger grooves to hold on to it and make it a little bit more comfortable. So you can push it with your thumb or your palm. You can still push it on the table, push it against your forehead. I'm gonna mess up my makeup, aren't I? Oh no, don't do that. That doesn't feel great. This one has a rainbow swirly lollipop on it. Such a cute design. There's so many different ones I've seen too. I think there are exclusive ones to Walmart, to Target. I can put links below on where you can purchase everything once everything is available. Yeah. Can you tell how excited I am? The Loomy AutoLoom kit, cutie AutoLoom kit. I mean, the instructions are very, very simple. So again, it's gonna be so easy for everyone to use this. And I saw that it can be up to 4 times faster, quicker to make a bracelet when you use this as opposed to using a hook. I really love the color of this too, by the way. You might kind of see I have some turquoisey things around. You can't see as many as I have, okay. Turquoisey pencil pouch, this floral colored pencil holder. Oh, ow! I got my hair stuck in the zipper, thanks. For some reason I have a bottle of acrylic paint just sitting here. Okay, we're gonna save the best for last, so just so you know. But I did ask for some loom bands. Then I got hooked up with some band. Ooh, sparkle treasure. Oh my goodness. So I can, just in case my old ones don't work anymore, I have a bunch in the garage. My garage is not temperature controlled, unfortunately, so I don't know how they're gonna be. They used to be in a basement, which was heated. So I'm hoping that they're still okay, but it's fine because I can just use all the bands that come with the kits, obviously. But in case I wanted to make any videos here on my channel, I just wanted to have stuff. I don't even have a happy loom. That's how behind I am. I stopped looming for quite a while to do other things. Cool. So Rainbow Loom was kind enough to send me 2 giant boxes with 8,000 bands each. So I have 16,000 in addition to 300 C-clips. 8,000 bands in 8 different colors, so 1,000 of each. These are treasure boxes of bands. And I also got the pastel treasure box. And there are 8 colors of bands in each, so there's 16 different colors. Pastel, oh my gosh, they know me. These are beautiful. 8,000 bands, 8 different colors, 1,000 of each, 2 happy looms, and a bunch of clippies. Are they called G clips now or are they still C clips? Okay, wait, these are C, because I'm like, they look like a C, but I saw G written somewhere when I was reviewing these photos, because they sent me sneak peeks. So these have G clips and C clips. There's a teal turquoise, a more light muted turquoise, a sky blue, a light purple, then there's 2 types of pink, a mid pink and a really, really, really light pink. And then I don't know if these are glow in the dark bands or just off-white. And then there's regular white in the pastel kit. It comes with 2 happy looms, purple and yellow. Same thing with the sparkle kit. There's a light blue, a darker blue, 2 different types of purples, a pinky magenta, a goldish color, silvery, or is this clear sparkle, and then green with sparkles. And finally, oh no, not finally, we have 2 more. Oh, okay, this one comes with 2 AutoLooms. So this kit is called the Twin AutoLoom kit. So it has AutoLooms, but it also has 190 beads and different things. Oh my gosh, cool. So this is the AutoLoom bead bracelet kit. 190, ooh, 190 beads included. Ooh, the AutoLoom is a pretty color. Obviously, I love this color as well. Oh, I don't know what color it's gonna end up being actually, because there's turquoise on the back. But there are 1,500 rubber bands in here. But we can't open the box yet because I have to do an actual unboxing video for Rainbow Loom. I believe it's gonna go on their YouTube. I'm gonna be on the Rainbow Loom YouTube channel. Oh my gosh. So this is a dream come true. Okay. The best one. I said I was saving the best for last. Of course, that's up to your personal opinion. However, this is the biggest kit with the most things and the most colorful and the most creative. Well, okay, AutoLoom is really creative. However, the vibes of this, it kind of fits all of my old crafting vibes to a T. This is Rainbow Loom Loom Your Life Kit. Just look at this. Look at this. I cannot believe how on brand this is for me, and I'm excited that this is their brand because we are such a great match with the types of projects I've done. Decorating notebooks, I was like notepads? I mean notepads, notebooks. I've done decorating spiral notebooks before. I did earbud holders at some point with perler beads. These are cute. I actually got a tumbler so I can do these projects and show them. There's 2 mighty mega looms in here. Phone charms, little dream catchers, keychains. This is so awesome. Loom your life in the most colorful, cute way. Oh my gosh, a bow. I forgot about that part. I've seen the package before, so yeah. So there's a lot that comes in here. Little mini dream catchers, moon and heart. This is so cute. And you can also do charms for your tumblers, your cups, Stanley, whatever brand you might have. Of course, you can make bracelets. There's a little butterfly charm here. And it comes with 2 mega mighty looms, which I have never used a mighty loom. So this is going to be really, really cool. You can connect the looms to make a really long design, or you can connect them side by side to create a wider design, which it looks like the butterfly is one of those. But this comes with a ton of different things, and I'm so excited to get into this. For this one, let me know if you want to see tutorials here on my channel, because for them, I'm just gonna be doing an overview of the kit, and I'll share, you know, where those videos end up going, but it's not gonna be a full tutorial or anything. Dream it, do it. Oh, I like that. That's really inspirational on the bookmark here for the notepad. Oh, notebook. That's everything. I never would have guessed a decade ago that I'd be sent a gift package from Rainbow Loom. I don't know what to do with myself. This wouldn't have been possible without those of you who used to watch my Rainbow Loom videos, maybe still watch them. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I've never stopped dreaming big here, and I know every once in a while I kind of disappear. It's not like how it used to be, but I would love for it to be more like that when I am able. So please check out my previous videos if you have not yet, and subscribe to my channel. Click like if you enjoyed, and leave me a comment. We got to do the whole old, like, you know, outro where I used to say all that every single time. For real though, maybe this will be the year of 2 million subscribers. If not, it's gonna be okay, but one day I'm gonna get there. Yeah. I still believe, I still have big dreams, okay? I told you I never shut up. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye. Look at all this stuff.